Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm in the Isle of Dogs in London and I'm really excited to show you around this self-contained tri-slide-in family room. So I met these clients around about a year ago. They were looking for an extension of their property up here in London. I had this great little space next to, like kind of behind their garage actually, and wanted a self-contained room to be used for the family. They have lots of friends over. They've got friends and family in Turkey that want to come over and use it, along as well local friends and for their children as well. So we had a really good debate about how this was going to look. They wanted some extra height and some really nice impact. So we've actually gone for planning on this, 2.8 meters high overall, and it has made for a stunning room. And as you come in, the tri-sliding doors are really impressive, give you that big opening. But the main thing that stands out is that huge Em-Glaze roof light by Whitesales. I absolutely love that. You've seen a few of these before, but really nice to show you again if I can. So it's a flat roof light with a lovely set up there, and it just works lovely. What happens with that, because the building's almost square, it's 4.7 meters wide and 4.5 deep, around 21 square meters. It floods light into the middle. We've been able to run the roof joist side to side and actually have this roof light side on, and that actually adds another level of quality. And with the dark color on the walls, the anthracite, which matches the outside, and that light, it doesn't feel too dark and enclosed in here. In fact, I think it feels really nice. And the white ceiling that we've done there really pops the light and works very nicely. Got a V600 on the walls. That's relatively rare, but actually for us, but actually I think it's worked really nicely in this one. And the tri-sliding doors are fantastic. So I have shown you these before, but bifolds we're doing less of now, and tri-sliding we're doing more. If I kind of come over here, I'm just shutting them doors up. The beauty of tri-sliders is you get these 3 huge panes instead of the 5 that you would normally get in the bifold. So you don't get quite as large an opening, but you do get that really nice light. Now you can't fit integrated blinds in these, but the client have had an upgrade from Hillary's Blinds of these electric blinds. Really nicely done. Really like that. They're a blackout blind. You can independently run them, but you can see they've worked them perfectly for each door section. They've even got an anthracite kind of framework there that runs in. These are battery operated, so you just charge them once every couple of months, and I've got to say, a great solution for the tri-sliding doors. So those Hillary's blinds are really nice. Now, making this self-contained, the clients have gone for a little unit there, an Elfin kitchen, which is a brand that we work closely with. They now do some really nice kind of high-end tops, but this is a slightly more basic one of theirs, but really like it. Fridge, cupboard, hobs, sink, all integrated there. And then in this little room here is the toilet. So the toilet here is macerator pumped out. We've got the little towel rail there. The macerator sits behind the toilet, and you'll see there you've got a sink and also that hot water cylinder there. So that holds about 15 litres of hot water. It feeds not only the basin in here, but also the sink out there. So that is hot water and a toilet. So it makes this completely self-contained. You can make yourself a tea, coffee, or you know, make some food in here with the hob. It's a really nice little option to have it stand alone, and I think it's just a beautiful room. Big TV on the wall. The clients are using this for multi-purpose, so the son's using it for gaming with the friends. The father is using it for the TV and watching lots of sports on here, and the mum's enjoying cooking on her own and not having the disturbance of everyone, is what she's just told me. This has come with a 5-star review from them. We're delighted with this. All the usual stuff from Baker's here. So we've done the plumbing, the electrics, the internet, everything self-contained and completed by us, including the planning. There is still some landscaping to happen, and once that's all finished I may come back and show you that, but for now there's our 4.7 by 4.5 bespoke tri-sliding self-contained garden room here in London. Please like, subscribe, share what we do with your friends and family, and let me know your thoughts on this building.